Sky, the founder and owner of our family-run online interior decor shop called House and Home. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how I am using the PicCollage app to create the vision board for our home office. Our home office actually used to be the place that housed all of our House and Home inventory, and it was also the space that we packaged all of our orders in. We have since outgrown that space and moved to an off-site location, so now we get to create the home office of my dreams. I am so excited to have a space that I can escape to get some work done and to let some of my creative energy out. The PicCollage app has so many really neat features that I can't wait to share with all of you. So today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating my vision board. This is something that I always do anytime we're doing a DIY project or a room transformation in our home. It is so nice to have everything laid out right in front of you for you to see it. It also helps me from overspending and buying things that maybe I don't necessarily need in a certain space. Maybe it won't fit the aesthetic, or maybe it just won't simply fit. I hope you guys enjoy this. So let's go take a look at our office space before we start this project and before we plan it out so you can see what it looks like there. Here is our office space as it is today. It's on the second floor of our home and it's one of the smallest rooms in our house. So I'm going to give you a panoramic view here. As you can see, one of these walls is almost covered completely in windows, which is beautiful. We get lots of natural light in this room, which we absolutely love. So we're going to be doing some board and batten in here. We're going to be touching up the walls and repairing them. And we're also going to be doing a planked ceiling, which I'm so excited about. Now I want to show you what the PicCollage app icon looks like. PicCollage is the easiest way to send photo and video greetings to your friends and family. They have tons of templates and grids for every occasion, and they even upload new stickers and graphics for you to use weekly. The app is free to download on iOS and Android, and it offers endless creativity for those little day-to-day projects. Today I'll be using the VIP membership, but there's also a free option and both are very user-friendly. I wanted to give you a little sampling here of some of the templates that are available. This is just a taste. There's so much creative goodness in this app. So to begin, I've already clicked the photo icon and added some of my inspiration images for this space. We're going to start on the wall that has the closet on it. So the first thing I'm doing is going to my photos and I'm going to click on the rug photo. And here I am just moving it around and sizing it approximately just so I can get a visual of it in this space. Once I've done this, I'm going to go back to the little photo icon at the bottom and I'm going to add this beautiful console table. You'll notice that there's a background attached. So what I'm going to do is use the cutout feature to remove the background. I'm going to simply trace the exterior of this table with the little scissors, and then I'm able to come in and fine tune any areas that may not have been erased. So I'm going to use the little erase tool and I'm just going to mark out all of the little pieces of the background. And if I happen to over erase or over edit this, I can hit that little add icon and I can add in a little bit back if I need to. I love that you can zoom in to get more of a precise view. And that is it. One thing that I love so much about this app is that it is so easy to navigate, and using the cutout feature is very seamless and also user-friendly. Here is a little look at all of the different little spaces that I have created in this room with my PicCollage app. I am getting so excited for this renovation. I can't wait to add some board and batten. This will be the first time that we've ever done that in our home, and I think it's just going to give this space such a clean, crisp, fresh, inviting feel, and I can't wait to spend so many hours in this space. I also wanted to add some curtains to this room. They're sheer, so they're going to filter the light beautifully and still allow for a lot of natural light. One last thing I want to do is put my mood board together so that we can get a visual of everything in the same place. So what I'm going to do is select one of the templates that PicCollage already has available, and I just imported my photos right into it. So simple. And then I wanted to add in a little bit of text just to keep it labeled. I like to stay organized when I can. So I am just typing in home office, and I look through all of the different fonts. They have so many fonts you can choose from in the app. And then I'm going to the eyedropper function, and I am choosing a color from one of my photos so that I can keep everything looking nice and cohesive. Now I've got my dream board, and I am so excited to get started with this project. Okay friends, that is all for my PicCollage dream board tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you got some inspiration seeing how we are going to be making over and transforming our home office. I'm going to leave all of PicCollage's information down below, including a link to go ahead and download the app for yourself so that you can start dreaming and planning out some of your home projects. I'll see you guys next time.